In the past hour, this guy's been out 3 times now. Why are you barking? Dude, what are you doing out there? 3 times already. In an hour. Yeah, nobody's gonna play your ball with you. Are you crazy? Did you see? It's freaking cold. Negative temperatures. You think anybody wants to go? No, get out of here. Go, get out of here. Nobody wants to play in negative temperatures with you, Mishka. Get out. Go. You love your snow, you love your cold. Go play. Go. Go. You want to play with us? You come inside. What's in there? Huh? What's in there? Yeah, that's right. Let him have it, Mishka. You done? Alright, you know what? I'm out of here. It's freaking cold. Bye. Enjoy your cold, Mishka. You know you love it.